Brillianize Instant Detailers make a great traveling accessory for high-tech products. Today, more portable electronics have liquid crystal displays. Brillianize Instant Detailers and our microfiber polishing cloth make the perfect go-anywhere cleaning accessory. It's best to clean electronic devices with the power off and while the screen is cool. Using the wet Instant Detailer, clean the LCD displays using vertical and horizontal strokes. Polish the screen with the microfiber polishing cloth to leave an anti-static, fingerprint-resistant finish on the surface. Clean and polish one screen at a time before moving on to the next device.